Man, I'm so glad I'm at the... That's right. Daytona's still basically 3 weeks away. How's it going today, guys? Trucks and Water here, and I'm currently at Loyston Point Campground and boat launching area. We got the truck right here looking all fancy, right next to Norris Lake, looking all good and full. Like, actually, it's over full right now. We had a lot of rain this past 2 months. But anyways, I'm going to be talking about Daytona real quick. A lot of you have been asking me what my plans are for Daytona Truck Meet 2018, so I'm going to go over that right now. We are leaving May 30th on a Wednesday to head down. A lot of you have been asking when can I convoy with you all. I don't have a problem with convoying with people, but I'm leaving May 30th, and I'm going through Atlanta doing 75 south until I think I hit Jacksonville. So that being said, you guys gotta meet me up somewhere, because like the first stop I'm gonna make is always at this pilot outside of Atlanta, South Atlanta, more pushing towards the middle of Georgia. So I will post the address to that when the time comes. But if you want to meet me there to convoy with me down to Daytona, meet me there. But I'll be only there for about 10 to 15 minutes, and when it's over, it's over. So I'm gonna head on. So that being said, that's what I'm going. So I'm going to head down there Wednesday. Wednesday afternoon is pretty much going to be dedicated to just getting situated at the place, you know, hanging out with my friends, hanging out with my girlfriend, stuff like that. So then, you know, Thursday I'm having a meet and greet on the beach. Again, make sure you follow the Instagram page to stay up to date on that too, because I'm not sure how I'm going to do it just yet. What I'm going to do is that day when I go on the beach, I'll say what beach access area I did and turn left or right to find me. A lot of you have been asking when you can meet up with me and stuff like that. Of course you can meet up with me at the truck event, but I don't know how my time's going to be there just for the sheer fact of how busy I'll be at the truck event. So I want to dedicate time to you all. So that's the best way if you want to come hang out with me, is on the beach Thursday. Friday, depending on more or less depending on like what the Daytona Truck Meet events go. We'll have another meetup on the beach Friday afternoon to Friday evening. That's when a lot of people are probably going to be in town is then. So if you want to meet us up at the beach and stuff, we'll be doing that too. But that night I'm going to go out. It is my 22nd birthday, June 1st. Yes, I am 22, about to turn 22 years old. I know I don't look it, but I am turning 22. But anyways, that's what I'm going to be doing then. If you all see me in Daytona, don't be afraid to stop and say hi and stuff, guys. That's what I'm there for, is to meet and greet with all of you. I want to meet each and every single one of my fans. If you all are down there, I'll be more than happy to take pictures of the trucks together, or of us in the trucks or whatnot. I'll be, of course, have my vlogging camera everywhere I go, because I'll be vlogging the whole thing. So that's what's going on. Then, of course, Saturday is going to be the event. I'll be at the event all day, me and the crew. It's going to be awesome. I cannot wait to go to the event. It's just going to be a great time at the event, guys. There's got so much stuff going on at Daytona. If you don't know what all about Daytona Truck Meet this year, it's at Daytona International Speedway, in the middle of the speedway. They got show and shine contests, of course, like best Dodge diesel, best Chevy diesel, best Ford diesel, best Chevy gas, Dodge gas, Ford gas, Nissan gas, and Nissan and Toyota gas, I believe. Of course, best in show overall, best suspension, best wheels. You know, the usual show and shine prizes you can win. On top of that, they've got a burnout contest this year, which I'm really looking forward to. That's going to be really cool. I'll be walking around the event, constantly filming, checking out all the booths and stuff like that. If you have any questions on my truck setup and stuff like that, if you want to see it in person, let me show it to you. Meet me up and we'll go walk over my truck and I'll show you the setup, guys. So that's what I'm doing Saturday. Sunday is kind of the same deal. We'll be at the event and doing stuff like that. And then Monday we're heading home. Unfortunately, that's how it's going to have to go. I got to go back to school Tuesday for college. So I'm going all summer long now. But anyways, that's kind of how it's going down right now. If y'all have any questions also on what I'm doing, just let me know. I cannot wait for Daytona, guys. I'm so pumped for it right now. It's not even funny at this point. Yeah, I just cannot wait for freaking Daytona. That's what's kind of going down with Daytona, guys. We're leaving Monday to head back. I cannot wait to go. The truck is ready to go. I know we're ready to head down and stuff like that. But yeah, guys, it's gonna be a great, awesome time. I cannot wait for us to be down there, enjoying the beach and stuff like that. But I also want to say this, guys. There was some incidents last year that almost caused Daytona not to happen. It was at the Ocean Center last year, as many of you may know. So that's going to be changing this year. But please make responsible decisions, guys. I am 21 and we're turning 22. Don't drink and drive, guys. Don't do anything stupid that will cause you to lose your license or someone else get harmed or injured. We all drive big trucks, and that's the whole point of the things going down for a truck meet. They can cause a lot of damage and they can hurt people. So please be responsible, guys. I understand you're in the middle of a crowd. You know, there's people chanting you on. You know, there's probably some hot girl like watching you and you want to do a burnout. Make responsible decisions, guys. There's a time and place for everything, and sometimes it's not the time and place. And I understand, like, we all want to show off our trucks, and because that's what we do is we modify them to show them off. But let's be responsible, guys. 'Cause I want to come back to these events year after year after year and watch them grow instead of them being shut down. So, that being said, I want to thank you all so much for watching the video. If you liked the video, leave a like. If you're new to the channel, please subscribe. Join the Trucks from Water family. Like I said before, if I hit 3,000 subscribers by June 1st, I'm doing another GoPro giveaway, guys. So make sure you hit that subscribe button. All of you, have a great day. And remember, never give up on your dreams.